Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone 11 is updated and your carrier supports eSIM alongside a physical SIM. Once confirmed, power off briefly, use the SIM eject tool to remove the tray and insert the nano SIM correctly so the notch aligns. This prevents read errors. After inserting, reinsert the tray and turn the phone on. While it boots, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and signed into your Apple ID, so eSIM activation will proceed smoothly. Now you activate the eSIM, open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. If your carrier provided a QR code, scan it using the camera. If not, choose Enter Details manually and input the SMDP plus address and activation code. Once the eSIM profile downloads, assign a label like Secondary or Business and choose how you'll use each line for calls and data. Make sure to set your default line for iMessage and FaceTime. This avoids unexpected number selection during calls. Finish by configuring usage preferences. Under Cellular, select which line is default for voice and SMS and pick the line for cellular data. You can allow cellular data switching so iPhone uses the best line for calls or data automatically. Once set, test by calling, texting, and using mobile data on each line. If activation or signal problems occur, restart the phone first. If that fails, reset network settings or contact your carrier with the eSIM details ready for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.